morning, guys. Nick here. It is duck opener 2024-2025 season. We're hunting a green field today. Nice little hay field. Coming off two different roosts. So we got clouds, a little bit of wind this morning. Ooh, that was a good one. So yeah, should be a good one. Stay tuned.
It's been storming all night. Did you tell him about the pond that we lost out on? We had a 300 bird duck pond that somebody was sleeping at 5 p.m. last night, so we got beat to it. And we were planning on sleeping there at about 9, so that sucked. So hunting geese instead. We actually hunted this yesterday. Shot our 4-man and a band in about 40 minutes. It was pretty nuts. So hoping we can at least get 3 groups and kill one each out of each one. So use my code WC18 for tie weed. Still using their backpack. Got 4 of us. Quite the clouds today and lightning going on. Any words, Cole?
That would have been a good one too. Oh, I'm getting sick pictures.
Wow. Anyway, stay tuned. We might get rained on by geese and water. But roost is that way and that way, and we've heard these ones so far. So I'm assuming they'll be flying soon because they flew pretty early yesterday. So stay tuned. Go!
Whoa! Disgusting. Did you see how fast they dropped?
That was sexy.
Did you see how quiet they were?
Oh yeah.
And then all of a sudden just...
They're doing it. Go!
Whoa! Did you see how fast they dropped?
That was sexy.
Did you see how quiet they were?
Oh yeah.
And then all of a sudden just...
They're deaf.
Did anybody get that on their phone?
No, but I have it on cameras.
That was disgusting.
That single just killed his buddies. Any bands? Just put them behind, tuck them under the grass or in between.
Yeah, I can put some in my line.
Got a rainbow, we got geese, got rain, got sun. Quite the interesting morning. Hey, there's a duck over yonder. That was sexy.
Alright, this one ain't gonna fit.
I don't know if they can hear me. I kill it. Oh my word. I'm gonna kill it too. Go. I heard more back right, I thought. Oh, watch that one.
That one's going down, look at him.
I got one. Here, Jesse, shoot these through that, because that can only shoot 2 shot or smaller. No, we got 2. That one went down in the field.
What are they doing? Okay, I actually got a good video this time. I swear to God.
God, they're playing like migrators, dude.
I got it in that one. I got it in that one mode.
Two were coming back, so good.
Well, they peeled behind. I was like, fuck it. God, dude, they're fucking MIGs.
So dirty.
They were screaming over those trees.
It's a video, Colton. Don't freak out.
Oh, I figured. The pea shooter did not connect, I don't think. Unless it was the one that sailed. I certainly tried. Hey! Behind.
Yeah.
Somewhere. I hear geese. Where the heck is that?
Nice walk.
Where?
Straight back.
Coming?
Right side
Oh, hammer on him.
Get in.
Close his doors, close his doors.
right behind, right behind.
Coming?
Yeah.
Kill him. Get him, Jesse! Hammer, hammer, hammer. Nice shot. Who's that, Nick? Oh, out front, out front.
5.
No, I'm not. Shit. Kill him. Get him, Jesse! Hammer, hammer, hammer. Nice shot. Who was that?
Nick.
Oh, out front, out front. Jet! Is my gun in his blind or does he have? Oh, he has it. Damn it.
We need 3. Shit, where's our flag?
Somebody.
Got it.
This is gonna be gnarly. Cole, film sideways.
I am. Another group underneath them.
You're good. This pea shooter is not. Look at that stud muffin. Killing honkers.
Big Tony's bud.
Quite the interesting weather, huh?
Yeah, it's real nice out here.
Any man?
No.
Poor Jesse got stranded out there. We're dealing with a few birds landing over yonder where they did yesterday, but the ones we've killed have ate it up. Talk about it.
It's a big goose. Not anymore.
Not anymore. Band? No, do you have one?
You have one?
No, I'm asking if that is. Oh.
I got 3. What do I need? 2?
I have 1, 2, 3. Do you have any in your blind, Jesse?
Well, everybody, we're about to get hammered on, so we're probably gonna go sit in the trucks while it passes. It shouldn't last too long, but it is definitely very dark and scary looking. And this little guy here, we don't want going away in his layout, so we're gonna probably sit in the trucks for a bit. I mean, it is dark. Doesn't look like it that much on camera, but it is dark. Oh, I'm sure they can see it.
That's green.
little bit front right.
Raven so bad.
They're going to water. Here they come. Here they come, Jesse. Well, folks, we just got back in the blind after Hurricane Jesse came through, and didn't get to the blind before a flock was already coming, and then they went and landed in the other field. Definitely saw us, and we had a flock working, and could have probably poked at him, but we didn't. We did have one land, and Jesse ground pounded him. But me and Jesse have shot 2 birds each, and Nick and Chloe limited out, so we each need to shoot 1 more here, and it is now, what time is it?
10:06.
It's 10:06, rain just quit. Seen the 2 flocks now, so hopefully we can get it. Just a 2-pack is all we need in here, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, it is after the hunt now. We had a big storm coming again, and we just decided to pick up. We shot one more since. We had sat in the trucks and called her good. We were too short of her 4-man, whatever. So, pretty good hunt. The ones that did it nice. So, it was a good time. Wet time. Really weird freaking different variety of weather things happening. There's rainbows, sun, clouds, dark clouds, green clouds, raining, pouring. It was something else. But, yeah, overall, good hunt. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, check out my Instagram, and we'll see you on the next one.